Kailangan i-press mo siya towards you para maging, oh, kita nyo yun? Fail. Anyways, ako lang naman nakakain. So, who cares, diba? So, hindi siya Hi guys, so for today's video, we are going to make a homemade sushi. And here are the ingredients that I used. Sushi rice, fresh salmon, surimi, pickled ginger and wasabi, sesame seeds, NORI sheets, and bamboo mat. And of course, rice vinegar and an avocado. So, ayan na nga, kailangan nating linisan yung salmon. So, we have to remove the skin. So, as you can see, I'm not a pro. Hindi ako marunong. But it's fine. Kaya ko yan. Kaya mo yan, te. Sige lang, te. Ginusto mo yan. Panindigan mo yan. See? I told you I can make it. So, you see guys, yung salmon na ginagamit ko is like fresh from the sea. So, dito kasi sa Norway, dito nanggagaling yung mga fresh na salmon. And my girlfriend says na yung mga salmon na nakikita dun sa kanila sa Kuwait is galing pa dito sa Norway. So, this is really fresh and it is really good for sushi and also sashimi. After removing the skin, I will cut it into strips and season it with chili flakes, a little bit of soy sauce and pepper, or anything you wish to put in it. It all depends on you. Tapos, hinimay ko na din yung surimi. And I sliced the avocado into lengthwise. And then, we're going to make the rice. So after boiling the rice, we will add rice vinegar while the rice is still hot. And then we will mix it. So kailangan haluin siya para ma-mix ng maayos yung rice. Tapos malagyan siya ng vinegar. Lagyan siya ng maayos. Ganun lang yun. Ikot-ikutin lang, ganun. Gaya ng ginawa niya sa'yo. Pinaikot-ikot ka lang, ganun. Charot. Tapos, Aantayin mo lang siyang lumamig. Gaya ng pagmamahal mo sa'yo. Oh. So, ito na nga. Simulan na natin ang paggawa ng sushi. Hi guys! So, gagawin na natin yung ating sushi. So, all you have to do is put a rice on the sheet, NORI sheet. So, make sure yung shiny part, yun yung nasa ilalim. So, masyadong makapal. Manipis lang siya. So, I'm not a pro here. Like, a beginner. It's because I love sushi. And, yun na nga, dahil pandemic, so, ang hirap lumabas. Tas, I decided to go to the grocery store and make my own. So, yan. So, you have to leave like at least an inches here, or inches and a half. So, the first thing we are going to put is yung salmon. This is a fresh salmon. Alam nyo guys, dito sa Norway, dito nang gagaling yung mga fresh na salmon. So, this is a fresh salmon. So, I'm gonna put a lot since ako lang naman yung kakain. Di naman for benta, diba? So, I seasoned the salmon with this black sesame seed, a little soy sauce, and I like it with chili flakes. So I am putting an avocado like that. Ito yung marami, like this, there, and lalagyan ko rin siya ng surimi. It's a fake, or no, not fake, an imitation, like crab sticks, imitation crab stick, whatever. So there. So again, I'm not a pro. And then, I don't know if like this, and take it like that. Kailangan i-press mo siya towards you.
Para maging, oh, kita nyo yun? Fail.
Kita nyo yun? Fail. Anyways, ako lang naman nakakain. So, who cares, diba? It may not look perfect, but hey, you guys, I'm telling you, the taste is delicious. Sobrang sarap, guys. Promise. Masarap siya kahit hindi siya, perfect sa pagkaka-roll. Hindi siya firm. Pero okay naman. Masarap naman siya. Siyempre, gawa ko eh. And, voila! Sushi ala LJ. And that's all for today. Sana natakam kayo guys kahit epic fail yung sushi natin. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on my next one. Ciao!